Alright, last ride on Tiger Terror, which is funny because my first ride was like an hour ago. I've done like 10 rides today. Alright, first Ridercam on Coasting the Planet. This is going to be pretty shaky, but it is what it is. Oh Lord. This ride is so violent. Alright. Whoa! Alright, you get 3 rounds on this one. So this is my 10th time today. So this is my 30th time, or this is my 29th. But it's gonna be my 30th time around this stupid little track. This is gonna be the lowest quality video in Coasting the Planet history, which is saying something. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Get a little airtime there. It's fun. Alright, last go around. For context, I'm just holding my phone, which is why I normally don't do rider cams, even at parts that allow GoPros, because I don't have a GoPro. So, yeah. I figured the risk here was pretty low. Alright, last time, here we go. Last time through the Kiddie coaster ejector hill. Oh my gosh. Alright, that was it. This ride's getting torn down tomorrow, literally. So, rest in peace.